Good evening and welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by your winning coach, Coach Leo Austria. Coach, congratulations sa finals na ulit kayo. Nagawa niyo ng paraan na masustain ang abante kahit na sinubukan ng Ginebra bumawi. Anong nakita mo sa performance ng team niyo dito at sa buong serye that makes you confident na handa na kayo para sa finals?
First of all, allow me to greet my group, my club, eight flavors of Bacolod. Magandang place yan dito sa Coronel. And then, of course, yung mga taga-Sariaya, yung municipal council, nanonood sila ngayon. Thank you for supporting us. And then, we're very grateful, sabi nga ni CJ, dahil nanalo kami. Kaya dahil this is what the fans are expecting from us. And it's a team effort for us. And then I'm happy for CJ after game 5, and then nakita natin ngayon, first quarter pa lang double figures niya, 30 points, and that's very amazing. You can see it naman. But it will not happen if not for the sharing of the ball. And then we're playing good defense in the first half. That's why we have a lot of assists. Imagine 17 assists. I think that's the record for us in the first half. That means everybody's focused to winning, because the importance of winning is to get into the finals. I keep on telling them na we don't wait another conference to get into the finals. This is our opportunity, especially when they tied the series at 2-2 and 3 games remaining. So they responded and alam nila na this is money time. So kailangan you have to step up. And everybody naman nag-contribute And even yung hindi nagagamit pero as a practice nai-inspire nila yung mga starter namin.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Thank you.
Coach, congratulations on returning to the finals. Coach, nung second half yung Ginebra, nagparamdam na naman na lumita naman yung lamang, but you made sure na hindi siya yung lumiit na sobrang liit unlike in the past 2 games.
Well, talagang that's very scary moments for us because we're leading by as much as 17 points and all of a sudden naging 4 points or 5 points but because of the rotation namin, especially si Don Troliano on the second half nag-perform siya, and then it's an indication na they want to win and alam natin na Ginebra they will do everything that's why kita-kita naman natin not in our game and every game nila against other team kaya makikita natin marami silang situation na come from behind win yun kaya nasabi silang never say die and then knowing Ginebra hindi mo pwedeng mag-relax sa kanila, especially in a very special game.
CJ, go. Sabi, mainit ka. Doon sa time mong game na yun nga, titira, pero naramdaman na parang mukhang gabi mo to.
Na-shoot ko yung una and pangalawa. Tapos siguro yung pangatlo, pangapat, parang tinitira ko na lang talaga yung hindi pumapasok. So yun doon pumasok yung kumpiyansa. And nakikita ko naman sila coach sa bench talagang talagang tiwalang-tiwala sila. Pag tira ko pala nakikita ko na yung mukha nila, hindi na kasi mangot. Kaya yan. Sobrang grateful na na pumapasok ng maaga yung mga tira namin and yung defense namin talaga. So yeah.
Ang pakiramdam na natapos itong series na to and now we move on to a rematch with TNT for the championship of the Filipino Conference.
Medyo nakahinga kami ng konti pero another stress series na naman yun for sure. Mag-stick lang kami sa mga ginagawa namin tama and titignan namin yung mga mali namin ginagawa sa team and ayusin namin.
Coach, yun nga, coach mo dun sa magiging matchup nyo kayo with TNT. Obviously sila, siguro gutom na makabawi sa inyo.
Pero bago kita sagutin, hayaan mo akong batiin yung sports director ng San Miguel, si Coach Al Francis Chu. Magbe-birthday siya bukas. Boss, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boss.
Magpasaya mo uli kami. Okay. And then, ayun nga, at TNT, alam naman natin how hard to defeat TNT, especially their experience in the last 3 conferences. They're in the final, and I think they're thinking how to get back on us because last conference we beat them in the finals. But I think this will be an exciting game for us. But let's see what will happen the next few days because for the meantime, we will take a break tomorrow, and then we have to plan what's the strategy and game plan for our championship series.
Coach, nung si CJ, mainit, lang yung yung naramdaman mo doon talagang, tsaka hinayaan mo lang ba siya na tumira ng
Alam mo, kung hindi siya nag-foul trouble, pabubuo ko sa kanya yung game That's how I trust my players And even the bench bakit humahaba ang playing time na they're playing well, they will stay inside because I guess na the players should be trained to last for 48 minutes but of course nag-foul trouble siya kaya pa nga dahil kailangan ko siya sa second half dahil alam ko darating yung time na magka-catch up itong Ginebra and of course I will rely on our starter
CJ, good evening. CJ, wala ka ba naalala na games mo in the past kahit nung college na ganito kakainin?
Terra Cruz ay Colombian, yung Colombian dito. Yung doon ako yung unang career high ko sa Colombian. And same yung yung pakiramdam na parang malabong magbintis, parang ganun yung pakiramdam ngayon. Ayun, I'm so happy na meron akong game na ganito sa San Miguel.
Sa finals ba tingin mo magagawa mo?
Ipag-pray natin yan ng malalim. Sana ganun pa rin yung kaganda yung ilaro namin sa finals para pag-champion ulit.
Hindi ka ba napag-trouble? Tingin mo kaya 50?
Kung ipapipilit ni coach, siyempre
Si Chef.
butin ko sana. Pero I'm still grateful na makuha ko yung ganitong career high. Pero yeah, it will not stop here. We'll continue play hard and sa practice.
Coach, dun sa panalo nyo sa series na to, si Don Toliano yung consistent din, may mga ambag sila Jeron, si Mo, si Kailig. Kano magiging importante yun heading into this series with TNT na yun din, malalim din yung bench.
And that's a very important in any team And if you notice every game namin, yung one game namin iba't iba yung nagiging best player of the game. And then that's a sign na ang bench ay kailangan and then talaga nagpe-perform sila And to the point na yung trust ko sa kanila talagang nai-enjoy nila And then it's a sign na for them to be confident and then inspired sa mga ginagawa namin. But not only yung second bench namin, especially in third group namin, they are the one giving some inspiration dito sa first group because in every practice namin before the series, they are the one pushing hard dito sa mga ginagamit ko sa game, especially yung nasa rotation ko. And then, because I'm preparing them just in case something happen, so we don't know, pagka may graduate o meron na COVID na naman o ganyan, so meron kami somebody who will replace them that hindi na kailangan ng malaking adjustment.
At dyan nagtatapos ang ating post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to SMB.
Thank you.
Thank you.